The plaintiffs in this case, Mormon Women for Ethical Government and the League of Women Voters of Utah, have wrapped up their case, arguing to the judge why she should pick their maps instead of the legislature's.
You can take a walking tour and in 45 minutes go through all 4 congressional districts.
Malcolm and Victoria Reed live in Mill Creek. They joined the lawsuit against the legislature over its congressional map.
It carved up my city into all 4 congressional districts. I feel like it was making me lose my sense of community.
Did the fact that you're a registered Republican impact your decision to get involved in this case?
It did. I am a moderate Republican, but I have expectations for my party. I always think of our party as one that's rule followers. And I felt like what the legislature was doing was being a rule breaker.
A judge sided with the plaintiffs and threw out Utah's current congressional map, ruling the legislature improperly overrode Prop 4, a citizen ballot initiative for independent redistricting. The legislature insists it has the sole constitutional power to draw lines, but it was ordered to draw a new map, which passed in a special session earlier this month. On Thursday, the plaintiffs presented their case to the judge. She's deciding which map to pick, the one the legislature passed in special session, or maps created by the plaintiffs that they argue follow the tenets of Proposition 4.
It is an extreme partisan outlier. It is more heavily Republican than almost all of the computer-simulated plans.
Redistricting experts from across the country testified the legislature's map still favors Republicans.
When I looked at the elections in Utah, based on a variety of different indicators, Utah's statewide elections are not competitive.
Including the one who drew the plaintiffs' maps.
What is the population deviation of the map?
It's exactly 0 between the districts.
And are the districts contiguous?
Yes.
And are the districts reasonably compact?
Yes.
And did you look at political data at all while you made these adjustments?
Not at all.
But lawyers for the legislature tried to show there were problems with the plaintiffs' own maps, including mountain ranges, Lake Powell, and communities still being split.
You've never driven on that road?
I've never been to Utah.
Yeah, never been to Utah. So you don't know if that's a paved road?
I would assume it's a paved road, but I don't know 100%.
But you don't know for sure?
No, I don't know.
Whatever the judge decides will upend Utah politics, even as the legislature pursues appeals.
Is a fair district one that is competitive, one that's kind of up for grabs for either party?
A fair map is one that's been drawn fairly.
Again, the legislature will resume its case on Friday, calling its own witnesses. At the Matheson Courthouse, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.